Hi guys, this is Vijayan from SmartReach, and once again I'm here to give a quick walkthrough on how you can connect your business email account with the SmartReach. You can connect your business email account even if it is not listed within our native email service provider list over here. So you can connect your email address via our SMTP and IMAP connection method. For that, simply click on other SMTP and IMAP option over here. On the next screen, we're going to complete this process within 3 easy steps. Step number 1 would be basic details. Step number 2 would be advanced settings, and step number 3 would be email settings. So I'm going to quickly walk you through one by one, and I'm going to start with the first step over here, which is basic details. So over here we're going to enter our email address, which we're going to connect with the SmartReach, and then the connection type. I mean, if you want to send and receive both from your email accounts, you can simply do that over here. So this is the default value. If you want, you can toggle it from both send and receive to only send and only receive replies to. So right now I'm going to once again set it up to the both send and receive over here. The next would be the advanced settings. So over here you need to enter the SMTP and IMAP's username and password. In most of the cases, this would be the same as your email account and password. So over here I'm going to quickly enter my credentials so I can give you a walkthrough. Just give me a quick moment. Alright, I just entered my credentials. Next would be SMTP hostname and port values. So guys, you can get this value out of 3 ways. Number 1, you can get this information from your email account admin or from your IT person. And in case if they are not around, what you can do is you can get this information from your email account settings. A few email service providers are providing those hostname and port values within your email account settings. And in case if you're still not able to obtain those values from your email account settings, what you can do is you can simply initiate a quick Google search, like I've just initiated for my account. So for example, the email service provider for my account is Zoho. So I have initiated a quick Google search using the simple search keyword, and here are the search results. You can see that. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly input the values within the setup page. Since I already set up this account, so I have the reference values over here, and that's it. The next would be the email settings. In email settings, next we're going to enter the first and last name over here. And this is really important, guys, because whatever first and last name you're going to enter, the same name will going to be appeared in your prospect's mailbox. So that means whenever your prospect will going to receive any kind of emails from your SmartReach campaign, the same name will going to be appeared over there. Next, you can insert a value for the maximum number of emails that can be sent per day. The default value is 100. You can go ahead and update this value up to 500, which is the maximum amounts from the email account on per day basis. Next, if you want, you can set a threshold of minimum and maximum delay in seconds in between emails sent from this email account. And lastly, in case if you are planning to put any kind of email address in CCs and BCCs, you can insert that email address over here. And once you think that yes, all settings are completed, you can simply go and click on to the test settings and save. SmartReach go ahead and check the settings, and if SmartReach think that yes, all settings are successfully configured, then you're going to receive a confirmation email shortly on your email account, which you're going to connect with the SmartReach. And I'm going to really show you how exactly this email looks like. So you can see that a confirmation message over here. It says that your email settings are properly configured. Awesome. So I hope I was able to give you a quick walkthrough on how you can connect your email account, the SmartReach, which is not listed in our native email service provider list. Still, if you have any concerns, any queries, you can always reach out to us on our chat support channel. Either it's me or my teammate will be there to provide you assistance. Thank you so much for choosing SmartReach, guys. Have a nice day ahead.